Sleep apnea affects millions of Americans. When left untreated, it leaves people feeling constantly fatigued, as well as giving them an increased risk for a long list of health issues. Using a CPAP for sleep therapy every night is the guaranteed way to combat sleep apnea. Full-size CPAP machines can be complicated, heavy, and hard to bring places, which is why we decided to go micro. The Transcend Micro is the smallest CPAP on the market, at less than 4 inches wide. All of the power of a full-size CPAP sits easily in your hands at less than half a pound. No more small touchscreens and difficulty in the dark of the night. The Micro features 4 easy-to-use buttons that make operating your CPAP easy. Our gentle rise ramp slowly increases your pressure as you fall asleep for maximum comfort. A WhisperSoft Muffler is included with every Micro purchase to keep your sleep therapy quiet and relaxing. One touch of a button starts the new 30-minute drying cycle. It removes extra moisture from your mask and hose so you can focus on sleeping over cleaning. Our new My Sleep Dash app helps you take control of your sleep by tracking your progress, customizing your settings, and helping solve issues that arise. A Transcend Micro Auto CPAP Machine. A quick start guide. A 6-foot Airflex hose. An AC power brick and US wall plug-in. A Transcend WhisperSoft Muffler. A Micro quick guide. The Micro also comes with a pure fresh air filter located inside the machine. It's so easy to swap out. The lower button is the power button. When the Micro is powered, the light will be green, signaling the Micro is in standby mode. By pressing the power button once, you will begin therapy mode. The left button is the Bluetooth button. When the button appears blue, it is enabled but not connected to a mobile device. When the button appears green, it is enabled and connected to a mobile device. By pressing the button, it will appear white, which signals the Bluetooth communication is disabled. The middle button is the pressure ramp button. With one click, you start a ramp cycle that will slowly increase to your maximum pressure so that you can fall asleep more comfortably. Pressing and holding the button will increase the ramp speed. The right button is the dry cycle button. With one click, you start a 30-minute drying cycle that will completely dry out your tubing and mask from excess moisture. Finding the right mask can be hard. You can attach almost any mask to the Micro with our hose's 22mm universal connection. This frees up your comfort options and excludes very few masks. Using a CPAP all night can leave users feeling dry and irritated. Humidification is a great way to enjoy your sleep therapy comfortably. The typical form of humidification for full-size units is heated humidification. This usually requires a bulky humidifier that needs distilled water poured into its water chamber. You get to enjoy warm, humid air at the price of keeping distilled water, using more power to run the humidifier, and an increase in size thanks to that added humidifier. And on top of all of that, you have to hope that none of that water spills or leaks. And HME, a heat moisture exchanger, takes all the difficulty out of humidification. You can insert an HME between your mask and tubing. It will draw moisture out of your breath as you exhale and repurpose it to keep every breath comfortably humid. A single cartridge is good for about a week. The new Transcend Air Mist HME is easy to use and cuts down on waste, as you get to reuse the outside adapter and only have to replace that inside cartridge. HMEs aren't for everyone. Some people are very sensitive to air and find that they need more heat and more humidity than an HME can deliver. But for others, it's worth having an easy comfort on the go. CPAP users deserve the freedom to roam. Explore the world as you please with our new Power Away battery. This battery was specially designed to seat the Micro. Its compact and lightweight design is perfect for camping, flights, and power outages. The Power Away battery can deliver over 2 nights of therapy in one charge. Want to know how much charge you have left? Check out the green indicator lights. The Power Away recharges in less than 4 hours using the Micro's AC power cord. And it's good for over 1,000 uses, twice the lifetime of the average CPAP battery. Staying away from outlets for an extended time? Micro users can charge the Power Away battery with our portable solar charger. Using your CPAP anywhere has never been easier.